Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Akanksha, working with Chandigarh University as an assistant professor. Today we are going to talk on module Marketing Information System from paper Marketing Management. What we will learn from this particular module? We will be able to know the concept of marketing information system, to know the components of marketing information system, and to know the data mining application, to know the decision support system. Let's understand first what is the overview of marketing information system. Management performs 5 distinctive functions, namely planning, organizing, coordinating, deciding and controlling. And each function requires support from an information system. Marketing information system is proposed to support such management decision making. 3 levels of decision making can be distinguished from one another: strategic, control and operational. Marketing information system supports each level. Strategic decisions have inferences for changing structure of an organization, and therefore the marketing information system must provide the precise and accurate information. Control decisions call for the information to observe and implement of plans and operations to assess performance as well as to take corrective actions whenever needed. Operational decisions concern the management of the company's marketing mix. A marketing information system is intended to carry together dissimilar items of data into a logical body of information. Every company should systemize and channelize a continuous flow of market related information to its marketing managers to help them to understand the changes happening in the marketing environment, changes in buyer behavior, preferences, consumption patterns, competitors' activities, etc. Support of a good marketing information system will be a competitive advantage for a company. If we talk about in words of Philip Kotler, it is a marketing information system consists of people, equipment and procedures to gather, sort, analyze, evaluate and distribute needed, timely and accurate information to marketing decision makers. Components of MIS. The major components of marketing information system, namely marketing environment, its components, and the types of decisions which the marketing information system helps are as follows. The number one is marketing environment. The marketing environment comprises of markets, channels, competitors, political, legal, economic, and technological factors. Components. It covers internal reporting system, marketing research system, marketing intelligence system, and marketing models. Types of decisions. It covers strategic decisions, control decisions, and operational or functional decisions. Internal reporting system. Now, every company will have a lot of information to be stored in internal reporting system on its sales, orders, inventories, receivables, and other sales invoices. These can be source of valuable information to marketing managers. They can examine the reports and identify the opportunities as well as threats. For example, some of the information that could be derived from sales invoices is as follows: product type, size,
and pack type by territory, product type, size, and pack type by account, product type, size, and pack type by industry, product type, size, and pack type by customers. Big stores and supermarkets determine sales in the way by comparing the each and every product store wise and total for the company every evening so that the supplier can provide the delivery of replacement stocks.
Let's understand marketing research system. Marketing research is a practical search for information. Such study aims to solve supposed marketing problems which can be defined and solved with the course of the study. Marketing research is a systematic design, collection and analysis and reporting of the data relevant to a precise marketing situation facing an organization. It focuses on practical research which are conducted to answer questions about explicit marketing problems or to make decisions about the particular course of action, strategies, or policies. Firm must have timely admittance to the market information so that the competitive pressure, the cost of making a strategic mistake, and intricacy of domestic and foreign markets. A marketing intelligence system is a set of methods and data sources used by marketing managers to transfer information from the environment that can be used in their decision making. Marketing intelligence can be calculated by reading books, newspapers, and journals, by captivating information from the customers, suppliers, and distributors.
Taking information to make possible by giving directions to decision making. This will consist of marketing models, which could be computerized or manual. Some useful information marketing models are time series sales model, then brand switching model, we have linear programming, elasticity models like price, demand, supply, income. We have the regression and correlation models, analysis of variance models, sensitivity analysis model, discount cash flow, and spreadsheet models. These are related mathematical, statistical, economic, and financial models that are analytical subsystem of the marketing information system. Computers provide a great help for these analysis. Some of these models used are stochastic means that includes probabilistic event, whereas others are deterministic models where chances plays no part. Brand switching models are stochastic models since these expressive choices in the probabilities, whereas linear program is deterministic, is that the relationship between variable is expressed in the mathematical terms. Database marketing. The marketing information system necessitates a large amount of data on various aspects of marketing functions, which are collected from numerous sources, both internal as well as external sources. Then the data collected is accumulated, organized, stored, and updated in a computer. The updating of compiled, organized data relevant to specific areas such as customers, market segments, competitors, or modification and manipulation of information from a database. A database system is a collection of programs which permit storage, modification, and manipulation of information from a database. This ability to acquire timely data and managing data efficiency is important in database management. Any information system should have accurate data which will be useful for decision making process. The organizations use the database management system for managing the data in the database. A database management system is an incorporated set of programs used to define database, perform transactions, and update the database, retrieve data from databases, and establish database efficiency. Some database management systems for personal computers can be used directly by end user to set up small information systems, while other database management systems are much more complex and require professional programming. Database management systems embrace an inquiry language that allows end user to retrieve data. Database management systems make data more of a source and facilitate programming work, thereby making access to data more consistent and rigorous. Customer relationship management. It is an important function of marketing management. To maintain a good customer relation is very important for any organization. For better understanding the customer, the company must collect information about its customer and store it in database and perform database marketing. Now, according to Kotler, a customer database is an organized collection of complete information about the individual customers or prospectors, that is current, accessible, and actionable for such marketing purposes as lead generation, lead qualification, sale of product or service, or maintenance of customer relationship. Evolution of data as a resource. The use of database management system is a method for making data more of a resource. The usefulness of the information is determined by the user and the way business processes are organized. The three main factors related to information usefulness are as follows. Information quality. It tells how good the information is and on what basis it is based on. Accuracy, precision, completeness, timeliness, and source. Information accessibility. It tells how easy it is obtain and manipulate the information regardless of how good it is. Information presentation. It tells the level of summarization and format for presentation to the use regardless of how good the information is and how available it is. There are different methods of assessing data in a computer system. A computer system finds stored data either by knowing its exact location or by searching for the data. Different database management systems contains different internal methods for storing and retrieving the data. Here we are having three models that can be used for assessing of data in a computer. The one is sequential access, the second one is direct access, and the third one is indexed access.
The first model is sequential access. This is the earliest computerized data processing used sequential access in which the individual records within the single file are processed in sequence until all records have been processed or until the processing is terminated for some other reasons. Sequential access is the only method for data stored on tape, but it can also be used for data on direct access devices such as disk. Sequential processing makes it unnecessary to know the exact location of each data item because the data are processed according to the order in which they are sorted. The second model is direct access. Processing events as they occur requires direct access. The ability to find an individual item in a file immediately, magnetic disk storage was developed to provide this capability. For example, a person needs phone number of Samir, then the user needing Samir's telephone number enters a name into a computer system. The program uses a mathematical procedure to calculate the approximate location on the hard disk where Samir's phone number is stored. Another program instructs the read head to move to the location to find the data. Using the same logic to change the number of Rahul, one program calculates a location where phone number and other program directs the read head to store the new data in the location. The third one we can say indexed access. An index is a table used to find the location of data. The index indicates where alphabetical groups of names are stored. The user enters a name which he is searching. Program uses the index to decide where to start searching for the phone numbers. Using indexes makes it possible to perform both sequential processing and direct access efficiently. Therefore, access to data using such index is often called the index sequential access method. To perform a sequential processing task such as listing the phone directory in alphabetical order, a program reads each index entry in turn and then reads all the data pointed to by that index entry. If the index entries and the data pointed to by the index entries are in alphabetical order, the listing will also be in alphabetical order.
Now let's understand the concept of data mining. Data mining is the process during which the marketing managers extort the useful information about individual customers, trends in the market, and market segments from the mass of data. Data mining comprises of the use of sophisticated statistical and mathematical techniques like cluster analysis is there, we have predictive modeling, neutral networking, decision trees are there, etc. Data mining is the exploration and analysis of the large quantities of data in order to discover meaningful pattern and rules. Data mining needs substantial computing power. Companies are inserting high emphasis on building second customer relationship and for good sales. Companies desire to understand how well they can sell more to existing customers. They also desire to determine if their customers will prove to be of long-term value to them. Data mining application in marketing. Let's understand how do we do data mining, how the data mining is applicable in marketing. Number one is customer segmentation. This is one of the most widespread application. Companies use data mining to understand their customers more better. We always need to know our customer in all concepts and all perspectives. Cluster detection algorithm discover sharing the same characteristics. Market based analysis, again this is very useful application for the organized retail business. Association rule algorithm uncover sympathy between products that are bought as assortment together. Risk management, insurance companies and mortgage companies, businesses use mining to uncover risk associated with potential customers. Fraud detectors, credit card companies use data mining to discover abnormal spending patterns of customers. Such patterns can expose fraudulent use of the cards. Demand prediction, organization, retail and other businesses use data mining to match demand and supply trends to forecast for specific products. Decision support system. The decision support system is an interactive information system which provides information, models, and data manipulation tools to help to make decisions in semi-structured and unstructured situation where no one knows exactly what decision to be made. The traditional decision support system approach includes interactive problem solving, direct use of models, and user controllable methods for displaying and analyzing data. Formulating and analyzing the alternative decision. This approach emerged due to limitation of TPS and MIS. TPS only focused on the record keeping and control of repetitive clerical errors, while MIS provided the inflexible reports for the management and was unable to produce information in such a manner which was flexible and desirable by the managers. DSS was intended to support managers and professionals doing largely analytical work in less structured situations with unclear criteria for success. Now let's understand marketing information subsystems. Marketing information system is most companies with multiple consumer products and multiple product lines will comprise of the following subsystem. The one which we contain is the sales information system, the marketing, research and intelligence information system, promotion and advertising information system, new product development information system, sales forecasting information system, product planning information system, product pricing information system. Then we have distribution information system and budget or expenditure control information system. Computerized information system automate the collection, maintenance and reporting of information connecting the following activities. These can be listed as the sales of goods and services to customers, then customer support following These initial stages, sales, the initiation of customer contracts and potential markets, sales forecast, sales performance of marketing personnel, marketing research, advertising and promotions, strategic, tactic, and operational information system facilitate marketing managers in product planning, pricing, decisions, advertising, sales promotion strategies, and forecasting decisions.
So students, let's now summarize what we have learned in this module. We have learned marketing information system intended to support each management decision making. Three levels of decision making can be distinguished from one another: strategic, control, and operational. Marketing information system supports each level. Strategic decisions have implication for changing structure of an organization, and therefore the marketing information system must provide the precise and accurate information. Control decisions call for the information to monitor the implementation of plans and operations, to assess performance as well as to take corrective actions whenever needed. Operational decisions concern the management of a company's marketing mix. A marketing information system is intended to bring together dissimilar items of data into a logical body of information. A marketing information system is developed from internal reporting system, marketing research system, and marketing intelligence system. Every company will have a wealth of internal reporting system on sales, orders received, inventory levels, sales proceedings, receivables, and sales invoices. These can be sources of valuable information to marketing managers. They can analyze these reports and identify the opportunities as well as threats. Marketing research is a proactive search for information. Such study aims to solve precise marketing problem which can be defined and solved within the course of the study. Marketing research is the systematic design, collection, analysis, and reporting of the data relevant to a specific marketing situation facing an organization. It focuses on applied research which are conducted to answer questions about specific marketing problems or to make decisions about the particular course of action, strategies, or policies. The marketing information system requires a large amount of data on various aspects of marketing functions which are collected from numerous sources, both internal as well as external sources. Then the data collection is compiled, organized, stored, and updated in a computer. The uploading of compiled, organized data relevant to specific areas such as customers, market segments, competitors, or modification and manipulation of information from a database. A database system is a collection of programs which allows storage, modification, and manipulation of the information from a database. Database marketing is the process of building, maintenance, and using customer database and other database for the purpose of contacting, transacting, and building customer relationship. A customer database is totally different from customer mailing list. A customer mailing list is simply a set of names, address, contact telephone numbers of the customers. A customer database contains such more information collected by accumulated through many customer transactions, registration, telephone or online queries, warranty cards, and every customer contact. A good customer base should contain the customer's past purchase history, demographics, psychographics, media graphics, and other useful information. Data mining is the process through which the marketing managers extract the useful information about individual customers, trends in the market, and market segmentation from the mass of the data. Data mining involves the use of sophisticated statistics and mathematical techniques like cluster analysis, predictive modeling, the neural networking, decision trees, etc. Data mining is the exploration and analysis of stored quantities of data in order to discover meaningful patterns and rules. With this, we end this module. Thank you.